So this is how you can go ahead and make Minecraft thumbnails. The very first step is opening up this website called Canva or canva.com, and now tap on create a design. As you can see from the suggested, there's already a preset called YouTube thumbnail. So simply tap on that. This will give us the perfect size or pixels that a YouTube thumbnail needs. So now all we're going to do is we're going to design this Minecraft thumbnail. Now, how do you actually make a Minecraft thumbnail? Well, you have to keep up with the trends. It has to be light and it has to glow and whatever you can see in those other Minecraft thumbnails. So you're going to want to search up any other kind of Minecraft related things. For example, we need to use a backdrop. Maybe we can use a Minecraft background, so simply search that up. And here we are. Just choose a certain Minecraft background, maybe this one or this one over here. This looks pretty good, so I'm gonna go ahead and tap on copy image and then go back to our design and then paste it over here. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and resize it. And here we are. Now you're going to want to think about what kind of Minecraft video you're going to make. For example, maybe it's a let's play video or a survival video. You're gonna want to make it stand out, basically. If you run out of any ideas, I have a few ideas for you. You can go ahead and add your Minecraft skin over here, maybe on this side, and then in huge bold letters, maybe episode 1 or episode 1 season 2. Whatever you want to do, you have to make it pop out. So let's just add the text and tap on this, add a heading. Now, let's say you're making a let's play video. I'm just gonna go ahead and type out let's play, and I'm gonna make it white to make it stand out more over here. And then now I'm gonna put it above here. And if it still doesn't stand out, we can actually just go ahead and add a font and then simply choose a font over here. Let's say Archivo Black. And there we go. It stands out more because it has a unique font. And now we can go ahead and add other Minecraft related things. For example, the Minecraft bee, and make sure that it's a PNG image because you're not gonna want this white background behind it when you add it to your thumbnail. So find a PNG image of whatever you're adding to make sure that it pops out and that it's colorful. So as you can see, I found a cute PNG image and over here. So basically what you're gonna want to do is just make it pop out, make it glow, and make sure that it's something that the people want. So yeah, that's pretty much all I can do for you today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.